You're on Facebook. I know y'all do all of that. Oh yeah. So you're reading, but you're watching. So you got an audio-visual way of learning. Well, let's break down the word read. What does reading actually do, you think? What do you think it does? Break down the word read. R stands for, I'll give you the first word. Reading. I thought y'all, that's easy.
Education.
It's a phrase, because this is what reading does. Might have been taught you, I don't know. I might, but I love teaching in acronyms. Everybody know what an acronym is? Alright, each letter stands for a word. Reading what?
Everything.
Reading everything, but remember, it's got to fit with the last two, too. And you can buy a vowel. Yeah, y'all know what's different, right? You want me to fulfill? That'll make it easier, right? But I ain't here to make it easy, because life ain't easy. Life ain't gonna be easy. And it'll never be as hard, will never be as hard on you as life will be if you're not prepared for it. So education's a good word, but I'll give you the next one. Encourages. Reading encourages. What's A stand for? I heard this was a A class, right? I'm gonna drop some brain. We call them brain grenades. Oh yeah, get them heads turning inside, them wheels turning. What's another name for school?
Academic.
She can't speak yet. She ain't graduated yet, so excuse her. She's trying to answer questions. What's that? Well, come on. What's another word for education? Man, how about academics? Encourage academic.
Anybody wearing academic?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Clothing brand.
Let's go. Y'all can't be asleep. I've been up since 3:45 this morning. Anybody should be me. I'm almost 8 hours into the day and it ain't even 12 o'clock yet. What's the last one? D. What's D stand for? Reading encourages academic. What is it? What D? Thank you. I knew we had an A. I knew we had an A in here somewhere. Development. And reading encourages academic development. How would you know how to do something if you haven't, like my brother said earlier, saw it or visualized it? And you got to put your hands on it. Because after you read something, anybody play video games here? I know you're saying, what a dumb question, right? But everybody don't play video games. I don't. So that doesn't mean everybody. And that means everybody here doesn't do it either. Okay, when you play video games, how do you know to do what you're doing?
Because it's a...
They give you hints. They give you a booklet. And in that booklet, what do you have to do?
Read it.
Thank you. Some people cheat like you. They never read. You know what that's called? I'm going to tell you what it's called. And especially I'm going to talk to my Latino, my Boricua.
I try to learn by myself.
Oh, you try?
Yeah.
We don't try. We do it.
Okay.
Alright? Don't use that word. We don't try. We do. So throw that in the garbage can forever. You know, because people will say, well, I tried. No, do it. Speak Spanish? Who speaks Spanish? Okay. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now I want you to get up there and write Spanish. Who can do it for me? Can anybody write it? Wait a minute. Who speaks Spanish? Raise your hands again. Yeah, I'm putting you on blast.
Her.
One. So out of all these hands, how many can go up to this board right now, and I'm going to speak things, and I want you to write it in Spanish.
Alright.
I'm going to say it in English, but you speak Spanish, and I want you to translate it and put it in Spanish. See, that's the trick. That's the cheating that you try to do without reading. You know what happens? You're partially illiterate. You might not like that word, but it's true. Because literacy means reading and also
Thinking.
comprehension. Because I can write something on the board right now. I know what it means, but y'all wouldn't know what it means. It's in another language. So to properly learn something, you still have to read. That's the point. Otherwise, you're cheating yourself out of a thorough, complete education. Because you may say, I'm speaking. Where you from? Don't say Bridgeport.